I am confident, happy, and fulfilled. 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 I am living my best life now. 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 I am a professional cheerleader. 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 Yeah, so what am I doing? Find out in this video. So for anyone that doesn't know, what I was just doing, those were basically positive affirmations. And those are positive phrases which you basically repeat to yourself to describe how you want to be. So it's not necessarily who you are right now. It's not necessarily your current state, but it is a future state. It is somewhere that you want to go. It's someone that you want to become. And the reason I want to basically explain to you what positive affirmations are and how to use them is because I understand that my main role as a sideline prep coach is to help young men and women become professional cheerleaders, get them prepared, polished, and confident for prep classes and auditions. But my most important role as a coach is to get my lovelies' minds right. It's to help them with their mindset. It's to help them increase their confidence and improve their self-image and make them just feel better about themselves. And so while preparing for auditions, there are a lot of steps and there are a lot of tips and tricks, and there's so many processes that I take our clients through and that our coaches and I help our clients achieve. The biggest hurdle for most is all up in here. It's all right here, especially when it's getting closer and closer to the audition season. So I want to start doing some videos around the power of your mind and give you different techniques and tools that you can use on a daily basis to help increase your confidence, improve your mindset, and basically reprogram your unconscious mind. So I know that this sounds a little woo-woo, and I get all of that, but it works. And so in this video, I'm just going to explain to you how to use positive affirmations to improve your mindset. And maybe in a future video, I will talk to you more about how it works and why it works and how your brain works behind the scenes. But basically with these positive phrases, what you're doing is you are reprogramming your subconscious mind. So your conscious mind is the part of your mind that you're actively using to do math problems and to talk to someone, and like it's the thinking part of your mind. Your subconscious mind is that part of your mind that you can kind of just do things on autopilot. It's like already programmed, and you learn certain beliefs and thoughts of yourself from when you were a young child or from repetition. So for example, if you're driving a car, you can go from A to B and not even have to really think about the fact that you have to stop at a stop sign, turn right, turn left, slow down when a car in front of you slows down, so on and so forth. That just all happens naturally. Picking up a glass of water and drinking, again, happens naturally. How you feel about yourself. So whether or not you feel like you're a procrastinator, or if you're a morning person or not a morning person, or if you feel like you're capable of making a pro cheer team or not, you feel as though you aren't capable of nailing an interview or whatever it is. These are all beliefs that you have programmed over the years in the back of your mind. And a lot of it is just how you were raised. It's maybe something that someone said to you in middle school or elementary school. It's maybe something that a relative said to you that has just programmed who you are basically right now. The good news is all of the good stuff you obviously want to keep, but any of the negative programming you can reprogram. And so these positive phrases, positive affirmations will basically help you to reprogram your brain and help you to work on anything that you consider to be a weakness or an OFI, an opportunity for improvement, and just change your mindset around it, okay? So here are the rules to create these positive affirmations. Number one, these phrases should be in the present tense. So you want your brain to know that you are already in that state. So even though it's something that you want to be, your brain doesn't really know if these phrases, whether or not it's true or not. So you make sure that you create your phrases in the present tense, not in the future tense. Number two, you want them to be positive phrases, something that's going to motivate you, inspire you, make you happy, make you feel good on the inside. And they're all positively worded. So you don't ever want to have a phrase that says, I do not worry, I do not cry, I do not mess up. Because your brain doesn't notice the not. It doesn't recognize the not. What it's recognizing is worry, cry. It's recognizing the main portion of that phrase, not the not. So you want it to be, I am confident, I am calm, I am at peace, I am abundant, I am love, things like that. So make sure there are no no's and no don'ts in your phrases. Number three, keep them short and concise. So you want it to be something that you can repeat to yourself over and over again, that you can remember, that's pretty short and concise, nothing really long-winded, no really long phrases, okay? Now here are your rules for implementation. So once you've created your phrases, and I repeated a couple of them at the start of this video, right? So the best is yet to come is one that I use often. I am living my best life today and every day. I am confident. I am abundant. I am love. These are different phrases that you can use. So once you have figured out what your triggers are and what those phrases are, and let me just give you this quick little tip. What you might want to do is write down a list of things that you're struggling with, some things that you want to change in your life, some things, maybe some bad habits that you have, some negative programming in that head of yours that you want to change, and then create phrases of what you want to be in response to the negative items that you want to change. So hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so here are the rules to actually implement. First of all, you have to make sure that you are practicing and saying these phrases often. So repetition is the key. This is what is going to help you to reprogram your subconscious. Keep in mind that a lot of the negative habits that you have and the negative beliefs that you have about yourself were created maybe years ago or even recently, but because of repetition, because of something that you're constantly telling yourself, or something that maybe was told to yourself once and you believe it and you continue to tell yourself that. So to counter that, you have to repeat these positive affirmations over and over and over again. Now, saying the words, saying the phrases over and over again is not enough. You have to feel it and you have to believe it on your inside. So when you are saying the best is yet to come, the best is yet to come, the best is yet to come, you need to feel that on the inside and not just say it. So you really want to make sure, because your brain responds to the emotion behind the words, not just the words. So please make sure that you feel it and you believe it as if it has already happened and as if it already is. So that's how these are really going to work. You also just want to make sure that this is a part of your daily routine. So this isn't something that you just want to do once a week and forget about it. You really want to make sure that it is a part of your daily routine. Another thing that you can do that will really make this also impactful is stand in like a Wonder Woman pose and in front of the mirror and say these affirmations to yourself. It's something powerful about standing like Wonder Woman and looking at yourself in your own eyes and saying, you are beautiful, you are beautiful, you are beautiful. It's so powerful. And what's so wonderful about it is that if you continue to repeat these affirmations and if you feel it as you say it and you make this a part of your daily practice, it will become. It will be who you are. I promise you, just try it, please. Just try it. Now, if you feel like you need a little bit of help to kind of get this going, there is an app that I want to share with you that I've been using recently. It is called Affirmation Reminder. So that's super easy to remember, Affirmation Reminder. And it actually goes over how to use the tool. You can create your own affirmations, and then it also actually gives you a long list of affirmations that you can choose from as well. And then maybe pick 3 to 5 affirmations and you can set different times of the day for the affirmations to pop up, and you'll be notified. You click on it, and then it helps you go through just repeating those affirmations and feeling those affirmations 5 times every time you get your reminder. So try out that app just to kind of get a feel for how it works. Another thing that you can do is at night, before you go to bed, say your affirmations out loud or even in your head over and over again, and make sure you feel it. In the morning, this could be something that you do first thing as well. So really, trust and believe this does work. If you don't believe me, Google positive affirmations. There's so much information, so much, like a lot of details around how this really does work out there on the internet. Now, we have a list of affirmations that we would be more than willing to share with you, and they are general affirmations, but they're also affirmations around the pro-cheer world and a lot of the struggles that we hear from our clients. So if you would like to put your hands on that, feel free to grab that below. And that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you like this video. If you have any other suggestions or any affirmations that you actually use on a daily basis, please go ahead and share those below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and be sure to share it. Sharing is caring. And of course, connect with us on social media, and you can find us at sidelineprep.com. All right, I am signing off for all of our Sideline Prep coaches, wishing you success in all that you do. Make it a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.